This is February 21st, 2016, approximately 6 p.m. This is just the Agent Open. This is Paul Wett. How you doing, folks? www.wetttraderllc.com. Here today, going to give you guys the forecast for the upcoming week, Friday's date. Friday's date of February 26, 2016, I believe. Folks, let me show you what we got brewing in these great S&P 500 E-mini markets. We need to have a clear and concise plan, folks, and let me show you what we got. If we right-click on the data with Wett Trader LLC, we get all the information we need. If I look here and I look at the daily chart, and on this day here, we have our resistance at this 1933 level. We have a high on a trade day. We penetrated the low. And we closed a little bit back higher than the high. But, folks, this is a possibility of breakout day. We have Friday's PP here at 1911. We have a close at 1425. That's plus or minus 3 to 5 points. There's a high probability of a breakout, folks. A breakout. Breakout meaning we will retest possibility of S2, R2. We did the same thing on Thursday with the 21 and an 18, 1898, 1895. Folks, show me where you're going to get the low of the day. Show me where you can get the low of the day. 0.25. Here's a high, PP, breakout day. Sell the PP, breakout day. Target's going to be S2. It's a $1,000 trade, folks. If you're not making $1,000, folks, you better look at that demo, www.wetttraderllc.com, to learn how, because this software can do it for you. This software can do it for you. So last week was really exciting. We finished off. We had a 1849. We came back up on this. Last week we're going to close at 1914. Now we have a PP of 1904 for this week. So 1849, 1850, 1933. Look at this, folks. 1933 R2. 1933.50, 2 points, folks. 2 points. Another high for the week. See, folks, the software works. It works. Here we go again. Same thing. 18075, 18025. This is the low of the month. We're 5 points. That's it. We use a 6-point stop, folks. 6 points. PP 1925. That's where we closed. I still think we're going to break out this week. We only went to here. That's all we've been, folks. But if you look at this 28.50 for the month. We still have another week. Anything could happen. So, this is the forecast for the week. And we still have an opportunity. It's the last week of the month. We still have a probability. If we can't take out this 25, we hit the 33. If we can't, and we retest this 1807, this could be next. It's going somewhere, folks. It's going somewhere, so we better hold on. Now, I myself is a visual guy. Right here, the daily, you can clearly see we have some support here. And some resistance here. So, this is a good place to fail. We have a gap here, right here. We've got a big gap, folks. This is what I call a breakaway gap. Why? Because we broke away. We broke away from the moving average. We have a very significant moving average right there. We didn't fill this gap. We didn't come back and fill. We will fill it eventually. Breakaway gaps take a little bit longer to get the people to fill back. But that doesn't mean we can't come up here first before we come back here. So, we still got 1, 2, 3. This is a 1. This is a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be a 3. This could be a 4, complex 4. Could be a 5. We could try to get a little lower. We could. I mean, if you take this 30 and you take this low at 1805, do the math. 30 and 05 is 25. You take that off of that 1805 and you're right in that 1600 area. So, I think the number was 16. Let me see where that other number was. I think that number was, 1686. You're right. You're going to be right there. You're going to be right there. So, it's 100. Yeah, you're going to be right there, folks. That's a very, very logical area. I, myself, was hoping it was going to run this way first, but like I said, I don't have a crystal ball. Good thing about Wett Trader, www.wetttraderllc.com. It tries to keep the emotions out. And as long as you hit the trend trade, as long as you are working with the trends, you have an 80% probability you're going to be in a successful trade. And if the trend reverses, the market will get you on reverse and go the other way. Right now, we're trying to fill this opening gap. Once again, over the moving averages. Takes a couple bars before we come back to fill it. But this, my friend, looks like a really nice triangle. And me, I don't know why I always see the positive side of everything, because that's what I see right here. And this is a 20-minute. This is a shorter-term chart. Me and my head and shoulders. This is my left shoulder, my right shoulder, my head, my neckline, my retest. I don't know if we're going to fail. We have head and shoulder continuation. We have head and shoulder reversal. If we're going to reverse 1, 2, 3 boxes, we still had a hard time having convincing close above the neckline. 1, 2, 3 boxes might bring us up to the 1925 again, which is that PP for the week. PP for the month, I mean. So, folks, there's going to be a lot of good activity this week. So, stay tuned at www.wettradingllc.com for further updates. Check out the trading demo. If you have any questions, comments, or call, www.wettradingllc.com. Thank you.